Stripes. Stripey Cat. Where'd you go? Are you hiding in plain sight, boy? Stripey Cat. Where are you, Stripey Cat? Oh, Stripey. There he is. The hunter. Dun, 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 dun. Baby, leave it. Baby, leave it. Putty, no, no. The hunter. What are they doing, Stripey Cat? Psst, psst, psst. Mr. Beautiful. Isn't he gorgeous? He's a Siamese mix, and I just don't know with what, but oh, he's so beautiful. I'm so grateful to the young lady that let me have him. He's got a good story. Yeah, he's my boy. I have fallen head over heels with this cat. He follows me around everywhere I go. This is our first time in the yard together, though. He's learning all kinds of neat things, like having somebody comb him and brush him and being able to get on the bed and still be an outdoor cat. When he came to us, he was fully equipped, and now he's been properly fixed, and he's just a joy. Well, he was a joy before, but aw, love him. Yep, and special thanks to my dear friend excuse me. Special thanks for my dear friend Lisa, who helped me get him fixed. Thank you very much. He's a joy. Putty, back off. Putty. Oh, no, baby. Too much attention to the cat, Ma. Baby. Baby, baby, baby. Baby. You looking for, and Noel, she's looking for chameleons. That's what she likes to do. And then there's my hound dog. Ain't nothing but a hound dog. Cry rockin' all the time. That's what she does. She's a hound dog. That's Baby's dog. Baby, the action dog. How old are you now, baby? We got you. Putty, that cat's gonna get you. How old are you, baby? How old is she, Paul? I forgot. We got her 2005 and 2004. I think it was 2004 we got her. 2005. Either way, she's 10 to 12 years old now. My baby. Baby, come here. I want to show you. Paul, baby. Paul. Yeah. Baby, come here. I want to show Paul something. Look. Look, look, look. Look, baby. Come here, baby. Baby. Come here. Look at the white eyebrows, Paul. Wait. Come here, baby. Come here, baby. She's hot on the trail. She finds them, but she never catches them. She lets them. She doesn't ever hurt them. There's Pud. All right. Love you guys. See you later. Bye-bye.